Amazon KDP earning are endless if you publish correct book in low competition category. I found low competition niche that can make a good income. In this video, I'm gonna explain that. Before we discuss that, you can click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. Then you can watch all the latest videos we just upload. Also, that motivate us to make more videos because it helps to grow up our channel. You can thumbs up this video if you think it's good and share this video with others. Most of the KDP new sellers finding difficulty to find the low competition book niche and make a design based on that. This all we can do in one place that offer 3-day free trials site called BookBolt. Within this free trial time, they will not charge and you can use premium tools and make your ebook and publish that. The only thing you need to do is create a free account and grab this 3-day free trial. If you don't know how to make free account in a BookBolt, please watch my previous video. I explained there. I'm in a BookBolt dashboard now. Most of them use a BookBolt only generating puzzle books, but BookBolt offer other valuable tools including keyword finder. I love this feature called product. From there you can see all the details about specific keywords including average BSR, low and high price, and keyword count and related keywords. I found the keyword journal. Under that, the garden planning task journal book has a low competition. Because of that, I'm going to show you how to make garden planning task journal book using a BookBolt less than a minute. To generate the books, you need to click this human icon. From there, you need to click the BookBolt Studio icon. Once you click that, you need to provide some of the details. According to those details, they will generate the book. Project type, paperback and cover and interior. Project name, I'm giving garden planning task journal. Size I put as a default is 9 to 6 inches. Interior and paper type, black and white interior with a white paper, and I put it in a bleed that make more smooth. Now click here to page template. Once you click that, you will see this interface. Click here to plants. Now you will see some of the garden journal templates. As a first template, I'm using that one, and second I'm using this template. From there, I need to have a 31 copies. For that, I'm clicking first this one and select the first one. From here we can select which page to this design need to be. You can do manual selecting one by one, but easiest way, I'm gonna select here, select from to, which means page number 1 here you can see, and click OK, and page number 2 till which page. The monthly have a 31 days, so I'm using here 31 and click OK. You see it's really fast. Now I'm gonna click here to next. I'm gonna not change anything here, so I'm clicking here to submit. So within few seconds you see it's generating. Second template, I'm gonna use this one. I need 4 template, but I put it 5 because monthly have a 4 weeks. This is for the weeks. You can see here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so same like that. So I'm clicking here and click this template, the first one. Now I need to select from where to I need to generate. I'm gonna here select 32 to I need 5 pages, which means 36, because in case can be a mistakes, something wrong, they can use another page. That's what I'm using that. So I'm clicking here 36. You can see it's nicely selected, and I'm clicking here to submit. Right, it's already generated, and I'm going to add last template, which means someone want to write something. So I'm going to use this template. The first one I selected, and I'm selecting 37 to 100. and click next, and I make submit here. Now we already generated all the pages excluding the book cover, so I'm going to show you how to make quickly in the book cover. Right, start generating. I let generate. In case if you want to add additional page, you can put it here. Click here to add page. Now we're going to make book cover, so I'm selecting the cover page. Here I'm clicking here this icon and click here to hide cover template, because I like to do the design with a white background. So if you want, you can turn on here, then you can see more clearly. Only one thing you need to consider, you don't want to put outside your designs, especially in these red lines. If you put like that, it will cut it, because Amazon, they keep this margin to cut this all the lines and after the printing, so keep in mind that. So I'm clicking here hide cover. Now I'm going to select the photos. If you already download or if you have some photos, you can use that. You can find this photo here in Pixabay and also on Flash. This is the photo what I selected, so I'm clicking here. It's exact the size it shows, and in this side I'm gonna make it dark and put a spine here. For that I'm using elements. Click here this rectangle, bring it here, make this all the corners properly, and I put here the middle spine. For that I'm gonna use the same type of rectangle, and the color I will change to the white. Spine is already, and maybe I will change this color a little bit like that. You can change it anytime for anything based on your like. Here I'm putting the book title. For that I'm using text, and I'm going to add headline. I like to use background color is a black and text color is a white. For that I'm going to put here in the white color. Select all the text, go ahead this background color. Alright, looks not bad. And if you want to add something here, you can add it, but I'm leaving here. If you want to add author name here, you can put it, but I'm leaving here right now. Alright, our book is ready now. We need to download that. For that you need to click here the download button in the top and click this first download current project, and it starts to download. So click here and extract. Here one is a book cover, other one is the content of the book. So I'm gonna click here, you see our book content here. Book cover is the other one, because you have to upload separately to Amazon KDP. Book cover separate and book content separate. So here is the book content. This is the book cover. So you can generate way better book cover using a nice picture and nice text. You can go through this all within your 3-day free trial. They will not charge. Also, you can create a book cover separately with another tool like Canva or Photoshop that you can upload separately. It's all up to you. So however, that is not that bad. So if you want to edit anything, you can go back to edit. Number of times, there are no limit. So I'm going to click here, close. Thank you for watching. See you next video.